Bayrock exclusive beach residences in the Bahamas. Come live the carefree island lifestyle you have always dreamed about, in a one-of-a-kind, residential beachfront community of just 55 elegantly appointed residences. Luxurious 3 and 4 bedroom oceanfront residences, a secluded beach, sunset gazebo, 2 meters tennis courts, 2 swimming pools and a fitness center in a park-like setting await you at this landmark gated community. A few choices residences are still available in the final phase, Rock Tower, and are ready for immediate occupancy. In less than 1 hour from Florida, you could be landing in Nassau, Bahamas. Bayrock offers the chance to unwind and relax with your friends and family. Within walking distance of designer shops, restaurants, Cable Beach Baha Golf Course, and the main hotels of New Providence. This area is often referred to as the Bahamian Riviera. Contact Bayrock Sales Office, Nassau, the Bahamas. The telephone number is 242-327-0112, email info@bayrock.com, website www.bayrock.com.